Good morning, students. I hope you all liked last week Principal Ma'am's story and you all learnt a lot from it. I hope all of you have done the work which she had assigned to you all in your value education copy. Today I will be continuing with the second part of chapter 1, wants and needs. Let us start. Work in groups of 5. Imagine the following scenario. So it's not possible to work in groups of 5, but individually also you can do it. Okay, you have to use your mind to understand whether a thing is a want or a need. Okay, because it changes from situation to situation as we have discussed in the last class. You have been chosen for a special experiment called Deep Under. What is this experiment dealing with? This experiment is dealing with Deep Under. Okay, it's dealing with Deep Under. What we are doing here? A group of people will try and survive underwater in a specially created habitat. From the list of 20 things, you can carry only 12. In your groups, choose 12 things to carry. Each member of your group must agree on the 12 things that are chosen. What we need to do here is that you must have the ability to choose out of how many things are there? Here 5 and here 4, 20. Out of these 20 things, you should have the ability to decide which ones are need and which ones are want. Okay. So I will not do it because if I do it, then your opinion will be biased. Okay, you all will not do it then. Okay, and even if your mind says no, this is a need, this is a need, that is a want, still your mind will try to stick to what I have done. So all of you, please do it in your own, in the book only, and later on when the school opens, we can find out. Okay, we can make some groups and we can then again repeat this if we have some time. So for example, I'll just show you one want and one need. Okay, so here you all see uh, medicine, books, clothes, food, water. Yes, food. Food. Check the boxes to create your list of 12 chosen things. Food is definitely a need. Okay, it's a need. Then you see your laptop. What is this laptop doing? Do you require a laptop or you want a laptop? Okay, so laptop is clearly a want, whereas food is clearly a need. Okay, so this way you will choose 12 items. And second part, now the deep under control station has said that your group can carry only 5 things. So later on they saw that the capacity of the deep under experiment environment is not enough or some situation is there, and they asked to carry only 5 things. So out of these 12, whatever you have chosen, now you have to write down the 5 things. Your group has to choose 5 things from the list of 12 things. Remember, each member of your group must agree on the final list. So the advantage of doing this exercise is that you can make your list smaller. Okay, we all want many things, but then when we write it down and when we do like this, need, want, okay, then we can make our list of things smaller. Okay, when we make our list of things smaller, not only we will be happy with those less amount of things, but we will also be internally satisfied that we have used money for what we really need and not for our wants. Okay, so please do this exercise. You will yourself develop an attitude of knowing what is a need and what is a want. Moving on to the next page. Read the following situations. Explain why each situation below describes a want and not a need. If possible, give an example to explain when the object in each situation will be a need and not a want. Shaina has just returned from a birthday party. When she went to the kitchen to drink water, she said, Mama, we need a new refrigerator. Rishi has a huge refrigerator in his house. It has 3 doors. So it at first only it is written why each situation is a want. Okay. So why is this a want? This is want uh, because China already has a refrigerator. Okay. And a refrigerator is used for cooling purposes. And that is already being done by China's refrigerator. But she, saw a bigger refrigerator having three doors. But that bigger refrigerator will also do same thing. It will also cool. Okay. But bigger refrigerator may require bigger space, may require more maintenance. Okay. So always don't think something which appears like sports cars. Some of you are great fans of sports cars, but let me just tell you all to maintain a sports car is very costly. Okay. You car itself, as far as I feel, if you just buy it, you can't just pay for it once and then you will be happy to go. You have to keep on maintaining it, you have to keep on feeding it with petrol, okay, like that. So when, and second point, if possible, give an example to explain when the object in each situation will be a need and not a want. So this is point number one. Okay. Point number two, give an example to explain when the object in each situation will be a need and not a when China's refrigerator is no more working. Okay. When China's refrigerator is no more working or cannot be repaired. So then we need to change it. So then China's mother will go for a three door refrigerator. Then that will be a need. Okay, refrigerator is required. Second situation, see. Yash is in a bad mood. His parents refuse to buy him a mobile phone because they do not think he needs a mobile phone. They say he can use the phone at home to call his friends. So why is this a want? Because Yash can use parents' phone. Yash can use parents' phone to call his friends. Okay, parents are allowing it also. Okay, good thing the Yash parents are allowing it. Secondly, when will be a mobile phone needed? Okay, when Yash, like when Yash grows up, when Yash grows up and goes far off place to study. At this time, Yash can definitely, Yash will definitely require a phone, and that will become a need. Then the mobile phone will become a need. But right now, that is a want for Yash. Okay, let's read further. Next situation. Most of Raj's friends have cars. He has been telling his father for a while now that they need a car too. So I just told here in China's case, okay, every time car is not a need, okay, because and right now I'm telling you the real situation. Right now the automation, not automation, the car industry is fully down. The car industry is fully down because of Ola and Uber. Okay, facilities like Ola and Uber. Okay, so because of Ola and Uber, people don't like to buy a car. Why to buy a car and why to keep a driver? Why to like go for its maintenance? If it breaks down, it is your headache. Why not to use a public car like Ola and Uber? Okay, so that is why it is not. It is not. A need. Car is not a need. Okay, many people are there who don't have car. More than 50% people don't have a car, but they still go on in life. Okay, so we can write down here. First point we can write down here. Okay, So why is this a want? Okay, so it is a want because everyone do not need a car. Everyone do not need a car, or everyone does not. Everyone do not need a car. Okay, please English. I'm not so good in English. The second one, everyone. Uh, if daily travel is costly, okay, if your daily travel is costly, then car can be purchased to save on money, because the car which you get in rent, they take approximately double the amount of what they spend in fuel, in maintenance charges. Okay, supposing if you go from Midnapur to Kolkata, supposing the hired car takes say 3,000 from you. If you have your own car, then it will cost you only 1,500, half of it. But then you have to think how many times you are going up and down, how many times you are going to Kolkata. Okay, and what is the frequency of going. So then only you will be able to figure out whether you will be able to save by purchasing a car, or you will be losing by purchasing a car. Some of us, like, purchase cars and then they don't use it. So that is just for want purposes. Okay, and it actually wastes your money further. Okay, to maintain it, to change its oil, to clean it. Okay, that is all. The last one. Okay, this you all have to do on your own. Think of a natural calamity, and this natural calamity is there also. Okay, what natural calamity? All of you must have guessed what natural calamity I'm talking about. Okay, COVID-19 situation. This is a natural calamity or an unusual incident. Not unusual. You write on this COVID-19 only. It will be very fun. You can write a lot on COVID-19. You or your parents have heard of or witnessed. So both you and your parents both have witnessed. Describe which needs were not met during that incident. So we need to focus on which needs were not met. Children, when you write down, you will see at first in your mind many things will come. And ultimately, when you think over those list of things, make a list of things. Okay, just like that previous example we were doing, that deep water experiment. So at first you will say, I did not get my cake, I did not get my pastry, I did not go to the park, I could not go here, I could not go to the movie, I could not see this movie. So you'll make a list of things, and then you will see, if you think deep on them, you will see, I'm very much sure each one of you will see your parents have taken care to give you all your needs. Okay, ultimately you'll come down zero. Your needs will be needs which were not met will be zero. Okay, so, and you please show it to your parents also. Your parents will feel great. Okay, and I'll see when the school opens. I'll see. So for today, till here only. Again, we will meet next week with chapter 2. All of you, please go through the chapter 2. Okay, and if you are able to see the video, you'll see the video also. Okay, thank you.